Governor Gary Herbert says he's going to know in the next week whether or not they're going to grant the request made by the Cache County Council to go green, and it's all dependent on the data.
With a 1.1% fatality rate, I don't understand why here we are in June and we're still in the so-called yellow phase. People can be responsible for their own health.
Cache County Council members say mental health among community members and their economy has been hit hard during the pandemic. But for Council member John White, who voted against the petition, the people he represents are the ones infected with the virus.
We did flatten the curve. We did slow it down, and we are making progress, but all of a sudden we get a big spike. And we just don't understand how big that spike is going to get.
The Bear River Health Department reports 58 new cases as of Wednesday evening, bringing the total number to 922. 861 of those cases come from Cache County, and nearly 300 of those cases can be traced to a meatpacking plant.
I don't think we're there yet. Maybe in 3 weeks it'll smooth out and we'll be back to 7 or 8 a week. Then that's a different story.
In a statement from the Bear River Health Department, a spokesperson says it is important to remember green is not lower risk, but requires fewer restrictions. As a local health department, our job is to prevent the spread of COVID-19, no matter what phase we are in. During today's press conference, Governor Herbert says he would take a look at where the increase of cases is coming from before making a decision.
Our infection rates are way up, but it's because of the meatpacking firm, Hiram. Therefore, we can justify the request to move to a better, less restrictive designation.
More important than the color of restriction in place, council members say, is allowing their county members to make a choice.
Need to empower the people, give personal responsibility back to them.
For a request like this to be granted, the Bear River Health Department first has to reach out to the state health department, who will then evaluate and give their best guidance. From Capitol Hill, Aaron Cox, Fox 13 News, Utah.